let's start there. We'll start with chasing the sun on the right side. So sweep back, up and over, sweep back, up and over, sweep back, up and over, and now continuously in the chase the sun where you're just connecting it together. If you don't have it now, that's okay. You'll get it later. You can work up to it. Come down into overhand weave on the right. And now we're going to turn to the left 360 degrees in the weave turnaround. And then turn right 360 degrees in the weave turnaround. Open your legs, open the poi, double stall between the legs, sweep over the top, overhand weave on the left-hand side, and 360 degree right-hand turn, and then switch back, left-hand turn 360 degrees. And now we're going to move to the right as we do it. So we'll do a little footwork with it. We're going to turn to the right to underhand, step your left foot forward, turn to the right to overhand, step your right foot back, turn to the right to underhand, step your left foot forward, turn to the right, back to overhand, and now we're going to go forward again, but we're going to turn left. So turn to the left, step your left foot back, turn to the left, step your right foot forward, turn to the left, step your left foot back, and turn to the left, and you're back in overhand on the left side where you started. So we'll go a little faster with this. Here we go. So right turn 180, step your left foot forward, right turn 180, step your right foot back, right turn 180, step your left foot forward, right turn 180, then left turn 180, step your left foot back, left turn 180, step your right foot forward, left turn 180, step your left foot back, left turn 180, back into overhand. So right turn 180, step left forward, right turn 180, step right back, right turn 180, step left forward, right turn 180, no step, left turn 180, step your left foot back, left turn 180, step your right foot forward, left turn 180, step your left foot back, left turn 180 into overhand. Now we'll do the fourth set. Right turn, step left, right turn, step your right foot back, right turn, left forward, right turn, no step, left turn, left back, left turn, right forward, left turn, left back, left turn, no step. Okay, now I'm going to try and put it together at speed. I'll show it to you once. So it's 2 turns to the right while you're walking, and then 2 turns to the left while you're walking. Okay, and we have our left foot forward. We're going to turn to the right and step turn, step back, turn to the left and step back to where you started. Oh, it's so fast. I can't call it out as fast as it goes. Here we go. We'll do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn right, step left, turn right, right back, turn left, step right, turn left, left back. And that's just 1 turn instead of 2 because I don't have enough space to really do it the way I'd like to do it. I'll try without calling it out. So 2 turns. Oh, no, wait. Nope, that's 1.5. That's 2. Sound effects really help me. I recommend them, especially if you're a dancer, because you can make the rhythm in the sounds. Overhand weave. Now, we're going to open it up, sweep back, step the left foot forward, sweep over, step the right foot back, sweep over, step the right foot forward, sweep back, step the left foot back, sweep over, back to overhand weave. Open it up, sweep back, step left, sweep back, sweep over, step your right foot back, sweep over, step your right foot forward, sweep back, step your left foot back, and you're back to overhand weave. We'll do it again. And overhand weave, open it up, sweep back, turn right, step left, sweep over, step your right foot back, come into underhand, turn left, back into overhand, step your right foot forward, sweep back, left foot back, come over the top into overhand weave. So this is what that one looks like. I'm not going to call it out because I just can't say it as fast. So you have to do it. It's too many words. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Bum, 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 bum. And so what I'm really doing here is the chasing the sun right, or well, the chasing the sun turnaround to the right 360, and then to the left 360, and then returning back into my weave. Up into the circle, so your left foot's forward, and then you're going to do sweep, step, over the top, step, sweep. That's 1.5. You're going to pivot in the direction of the back foot. And that's why we're stepping, because we want to do 2 left turns in a row. Or, sorry, 2 right turns in a row, so we need to have the right foot back. Right? So my right foot is back, my left foot is front. I pivot. I still want to turn right, so I got to switch my feet. I pivot. I want to turn right again, so I switch my feet. And I go like this. So let's just do the footwork. Left foot is forward. Right foot is back. So we're going to sweep low, turn right. I want to turn right again. Step your left foot forward. Turn right. Step the right foot back. Turn right. Now we're going to come up over the top like that, because we're doing the left turn 1.5 times. Then we're going to step our right foot forward so the left is in the back. Then you pivot away from me. Yes, and then step your left foot back. Yes, and then you pivot again and you're back where you started. So let's do it again. So pivot to the right, step your left foot forward, come over the top, pivoting to the right, away from me, step your right foot back. Sweep low, come to the right side, you'll be underhand over here. Now we're going to the left, come up over the top, step your right foot forward, come sweep low, and then step your left foot back, come up over the top, and you're back in overhand. So let's try it with the poi. So left foot's forward, right foot's back. You're in overhand. Low sweep, turning to the right. Step your left foot forward. High sweep, turning to the right. Step your right foot back. Low sweep, turning to the right. You'll come out in underhand. Now switch back the other way. So here's your switch back. You're coming up over the top, in underhand to overhand, going to the left. Switch your feet. Now you're going to turn away from the screen with a low turn, and then step your left foot back, come up over the top.